Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your graduate studies abroad with GradSchoolMatch. Quick tutorial. Start by visiting the GradSchoolMatch website. Create an account by clicking the Sign Up button on the homepage. Fill in your personal information, including your email address and a secure password. After registering, check your email for a confirmation link and activate your account. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, take a moment to complete your profile. Add details about your academic background, including your degrees and areas of study. Specify your research interests to help the platform connect you with relevant programs. Upload your CV or resume to showcase your achievements. Explore the platform's features by navigating to the Programs section. Use the search bar to find graduate programs that match your interests. Filter results by location, discipline, and program type to refine your search. Click on any program that piques your interest to view detailed information. Take note of application deadlines and requirements for each program. Reach out to program coordinators through the contact information provided for any queries. Utilize the match feature to connect with institutions that align with your profile. Start engaging with potential advisors and peers through the platform's networking options. Bookmark programs that interest you for easy access later. Regularly check for updates on new programs that fit your criteria. Consider joining relevant discussion forums to gain insights from current students. Finally, organize your application timeline based on deadlines and prepare your materials in advance. Follow these steps to effectively scale your graduate studies abroad with GradSchoolMatch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.